Hey, hi everyone, welcome to another video. So today we will go through XTX markets. Okay, so XTX markets is a global algo trading firm, and we will go. There's a recent news that XTX market has exited the Indian Bank Nifty derivatives market. Okay, due to decline in its risk reward profile in the Indian options market, and this decline began in September 2023, was significant enough to prompt XTX to abandon the previously profitable Bank Nifty market. And this is the first time the company has exited a 17-year history. Okay, in its 17 years history, that it had exited a market. Okay, this is what the news is. So we'll go through what is this XTX market. What this It's a global trading firm. Who are its founders? What are the major milestones, challenges? How much profit this firm has made? What are the best trades? Why it exited the Indian market? Those we will go through today. So before that, what we will do is we will go through this website of XTX Market. So this is XTX Market. So it's a leading algorithmic trading firm. It uses state-of-the-art machine learning technology to produce price forecasts. Okay, over 50,000 financial instruments that include equities, fixed income, currencies, commodities, and crypto. So then they use this forecast to trade on exchanges and alternative trading venues. They offer different liquidity directly to clients worldwide also. Okay, and this team comprises of world-class researchers, developers, technologists with backgrounds in pure maths, programming, physics, computer science, and machine learning. Yeah, and they have a large data center in Finland. This is the data regarding that data center. Okay. So this is what XTX Markets is. It's a algo trading firm. Yeah, let's go through what the details of it. So XTX Markets is founded in 2015 by Alex Gerko. He's a Russian-born mathematician, and he's a PhD from Moscow State University, and he has further degrees in mathematics and economics. He's also a former equities trader at Deutsche Bank and GSA Capital. Okay, so he was a trader and he was an equities trader as a mathematician, PhD from Moscow State University, from Deutsche Bank equities trader and GSA Capital equities trader. He holds 75%. So Alex Gerko holds 75% stake in XTX markets, and there's another person called Hans Bueller who joined as co-CEO in 2022, but he departed in June 2025, leaving Gerko as the sole CEO. Okay. The scale and reach of this firm is it handles 250 billion dollar in daily trading volumes across 35 plus countries in asset classes like currencies, equities, commodities, fixed income derivatives, and crypto. So they basically trade in pretty much every asset class. In 35 plus countries they trade, and the volume is 250 billion daily trading volume. That's their scale, and reach is 35 plus countries, pretty much across all the asset classes, currencies, equities, commodities, fixed income, derivatives, and crypto. Major milestones of the firm and growth of the firm is 2016 to 19. The firm has a rapid rise to become one of the top global liquidity providers. It is one of the top 10 in the forex market by 2016, and it's a large systemic internalizer in European equities by 2019. So rapid rise happened from 2016 to 19, becoming one of the top global liquidity providers, FX markets, and systematic internalizer in European equities market. 2017 to 18, FCA authorization they have got in UK, and US broker dealer registration they got, and European expansion post Brexit, Paris SI license also they got. 2021, they launched a US single dealer platform, XTX Direct, to provide bespoke liquidity. Okay, and 2022 to 24, they expanded machine learning R&D and via XTY Labs and global footprint. They invested heavily in GPU infrastructure, announced 1 billion data center in Finland. Okay, Europe's data center in Finland. Financial performance of the firm of this firm is 2022 they reported a 1.1 billion pound profit, which is 64% year on year. 2023 the profit exceeded 1.3 billion pound, which is 54% year on year growth, and revenue reached 2.7 billion pounds. Employee compensation also soared. So 113 staff they have, and they each staff earns an average of 435 k pounds in 2024, which is 33% increase in the salary. So they pay very well, okay, and they make very good money. Returns are also very impressive, 64% year on year, 54% year on year, and yeah, so best traits and competitive advantage they have is they use high frequency machine learning algorithms with extensive GPU power to execute rapid and automated trades. So it's high frequency trading and learning algorithms trading. They capitalize on market volatility and systemic discrepancies, notably outperforming traditional banks in forex markets. And its edge stems from AI powered forecasting. So this is their strength. Okay, their edge, AI powered forecasting and efficient infrastructure they have and scale they have. And this efficient infrastructure, AI powered forecasting scale will enable them to have large low latency trade across asset classes. Yeah, they have exited from the Indian options market. The reason is, from August to September 2023, XTX experienced a sharp decline in its risk-adjusted returns in the Indian bank Nifty option space, with sharp ratios collapsing from 10 to unattractive levels. Okay, and citing a sharp and sustained decline in its risk and reward profile, XTX chose to exit the previously highly profitable market, the bank Nifty options market, in early 2025, marking their first market exit ever. Okay, this move was partially triggered by structural changes and alleged large-scale volatility events linked to other algos like Jane Street, prompting SEBI scrutiny. Okay, yeah. One thing I want to bring here is, most people say, it's a trading is a zero-sum game. That's for sure, but it's not a zero-sum game between one large institutional investor and retailers. Okay, there are other large institutional investors also, and not all large institutional investors play the same direction or have the same view, right? So if you see here, one institutional investor, which is Jane Street, was making a lot of money, but at the same time, XTX market was losing money here. Okay, so uh, that's what happens. It's not like Jane Street is making money, retailers are losing money. Some other big institutional institutions could also be losing the money. So market only not only comprises just one institutional investor and one retailer, or a bunch all retailers. And in retailers also, again, everyone trades differently. Not all of them trade in one direction. Okay, so yeah, you can't just say that Jane Street profit is equal to the loss of the retailers. That's not entirely correct, because if you see this, XTX has also experienced loss, and some retailers may have made profit also, right? So not everyone might have lost. But yeah, as per SEBI's report, 95% of people lost. So yeah, but yeah, it's not just one retailer versus institutional investor. There could be other institutional investors, and all institutional investors, may not have the same view. They may differ in their opinion, and not all the institutional investors make money at the expense of retailers. That's what I want to point out. Yeah, so XTX is a, global algo firm, very big firm, exited the Indian bank Nifty options market. It is famous for its AI powered forecasting, and yeah, it has high frequency machine learning algorithms, and profits around 64% year on year, and around 1.1 billion profit it has gained. Employee compensation also very good, 435k in UK is a very big salary. Okay, it's a very good compensation they are giving. The scale is also very high. If you see their scale, it's 250 billion daily trading volume in 35 countries and across pretty much every asset class. That is their scale. Yeah. Yeah. So coming to founder and philanthropy, Alex Garko, his academic background is BSc, MSc, PhD in maths from Moscow State University, MSc in economics from New Economics School, plus a master's from Independent University of Moscow. He has become one of the UK's wealthiest individuals. Okay, and he's a major philanthropist also. He donated over 250 million to maths education, COVID relief, humanitarian efforts, funding the 1729 maths schools, and launching AMO math challenge. Okay, so that's yeah, this is a summary. So XTX Markets is founded in 2015 by Alex Gerko, PhD mathematician. Core strength is ML-driven systematic trading, $250 billion daily volumes. Key investments are GPUs, Finland Data Center, XTY Labs. Profitability is 1.3 billion pounds in 2024, up 54% year on year. It has exited India, first ever exit over poor risk reward in Bank Nifty auctions post August 2023. So yeah, XTX Markets combines deep quantitative strategy with powerful infrastructure to thrive in global markets. Yeah, but it yet decisively exited Indian market because its risk-adjusted returns have faltered. Okay. So that's XTX Markets for you guys, and it's a global algo trading firm, and its exit from India is what is covered, along with its strategies and the scale and reach that it does. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.